Can you tell us a little bit about the challenges of batting against the South African attack? I mean, you seem to score quite quickly, but it looked as though it was quite tricky for everyone else.
Well, when you're playing after a long time, there are chances then where there are chances where you can collapse. But I think they also bowled well, and somehow we also we were just giving our wickets away. We need to be very pricey with our wickets. We cannot give our wickets very easily, and the next game we will look on these things, and we will try to create some partnerships, because in long format you need those partnerships, and I think we did that on our ability.
While it is pretty natural that there would be rustiness after playing after you as you guys are playing after almost a year. So, but is there sense of disappointment in some of the shots you guys played? Like after getting settled down, you guys pretty much threw your wickets away in the middle phase of the innings. So, what's your thought on that?
Yes, I totally agree, because we all throw our wickets, but the next game we will, try to play as long as possible and try to create some partnership, which is very important for us.
Prajakta, you can go.
Thank you.
Prajakta, if you can hear me, you can go ahead with your question. Okay, we'll get Firdaus again. Firdaus, you can go ahead with your question.
Thanks. Harmanpreet, I know you've not played for a while. Can you tell us a bit about what you did in this year? I mean, what kind of training were you guys getting up to? And do you feel it was sufficient? Did you feel ready for this series?
Well, we didn't get any cricket, for a year, like international cricket, and during that time we only played three IPL games, I can say. But apart from that, we didn't get much time, where we can work as a unit. When you playing any format as a team, you need to spend some time on the field and get ready for any series. But yeah, we are one of the side who like to learn from their mistakes, and I think in the next game we will definitely learn from our mistakes and try to prove ourselves.
The opening combination featured Jemimah Rodrigues and Smriti Mandhana. Obviously, the Indian women's ODI team has sort of tried out a number of opening combinations, and you had the designated, rather regular opener in Poonam Raut coming in after them. क्या सोच थी आपके और मिथाली राज कैप्टन दोनों के बीच में कि एक जमीमा और स्मिति का जो ओपनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन है वो ट्राई किया जाए?
Well, I feel वो काफी टाइम से ओपन करते हुए आ रहे हैं, तो we were going with the same combination only, और बीच में Poonam was also playing one down, so we didn't try much in our batting combination, क्योंकि जो काफी टाइम से एक साल से पहले जो हमने जो कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ हम लोग जा रहे थे सेम उसी के साथ ही गए, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी डिडंट हैव पार्टनरशिप्स जो बहुत जरूरी थी, लेकिन नेक्स्ट गेम में we will definitely work on that.
Laura Woolward has been one of the best up-and-coming players for a while. आपने उनको करीब से भी शायद WBBL में देखा है, and during a number of international tournaments, World Cup में भी. आपके क्या फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन है, जो उनका जर्नी रहा है, इतना यंग प्लेयर है, किस तरीके का कंपैरिजन आप लोग शायद भी अगर ड्रॉ करते होंगे कि नहीं जमीमा और यंग शिफाली जैसे प्लेयर्स के साथ?
Well, it's always good जब आपकी टीम में नए प्लेयर्स आते रहते हैं और उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज आप एज ए कैप्टन और एज ए वाइस कैप्टन you always want to give them opportunity, and I think they have done very well in their career, and sometimes when you're playing after a long time तो उसमें होता है कि things आपके फेवर में जा भी सकती है और नहीं भी जा सकती है, and we had one of bad day today, क्योंकि जो भी हम ट्राई कर रहे थे हम लोग जब भी हम लोग अच्छा कर रहे थे उसको ज़्यादा खींच नहीं पाए, लेकिन नेक्स्ट गेम्स में विल ट्राई दैट आल्सो, एंड इट्स गुड टू हैव Jamie and all in our side.
Since 2018, Team India have posted a total of 250 plus just twice. As far as the batting is concerned, where do you think does it need some kind of improvement?
See, she's right, because when you're playing, because nowadays everybody is looking for big totals, and as a unit we also wanted to get that every game we want to score more than 250, but for that, you know, you need some time, you need some matches for that. And लास्ट कुछ सालों में हम लोगों का वो एक रिदम स्टार्ट हुआ था, बट आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम देन अगेन टू क्रिएट दैट रिदम वी विल डेफिनेटली नीड सम टाइम, एंड आई थिंक फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट गेम we'll try to do what as a unit we want to do.
So just wanted to know, how will you assess today's bowling performance from India? Although the score was around 170, 180, India managed to limit or made South Africa play for like around 40, 41 overs. So how did you assess India's bowling performance?
See, as a bowling also, you know, there was what I feel, there was no partnerships. We need to, you know, when whatever cricket you play, you need partnerships, whether it's batting or bowling. So I feel in next games we need to do that. But today I also felt, you know, our bowling was not up to the mark. We have very experienced bowling side. Juludi was also there, and you know, our spinners are very good. But it can be happen, you know, when you're playing after a long time, and you know, sometimes things can not be in your favor, but we will definitely work on that.
हरमन, मोनिका पटेल, बहुत सारे you know bowling combinations and options आप लोगों के पास है obviously, but to not pick somebody experienced like say मानसी जोशी, उनके जगह पे एक डेब्यूटेंट के साथ जाना, क्या खासियत है आपने जो you know क्या खासियत आप लोगों ने उनमें देखा नेट्स पे, और आज का क्या इंप्रेशन रहा एज वाइस कैप्टन एंड एज वन ऑफ द सीनियर मोस्ट प्लेयर्स इन द साइड? व्हाट डू यू मेक ऑफ अ डेब्यू जो आज आपने देखा?
जब भी एज ए टीम, जब भी आपके पास कोई नया प्लेयर होता है, तो यू नो यू ऑलवेज वांट टू गिव देम चांस इन द फर्स्ट 2-3 गेम्स, यू नो, इन मिडल ऑफ द सीरीज यू कैन नॉट ट्राई टू मेनी थिंग्स. उस टाइम पे आपको ये होता है कि यू नो व्हाट इज द बेस्ट फॉर यू, बट वी वांटेड टू, यू नो, गिव चांस टू हर टुडे और मे बी द नेक्स्ट गेम. बट उसमें क्या, बट यू नो, Mansi is also there. We have one more experienced bowler in our side, and it was her first game, and you know, expecting too much from young girl, it's not it's something, you know, which is very unfair. But she did quite well, and I hope she will learn from this game and try to, you know, get better and better in the next games.